So it's been just over 2 years since I launched InvestCAN, and I just wanted to go through some of the performance numbers, how much money we're making. So InvestCAN's main job is to find your asset allocation. The percentages do really matter, and then it tries to attach the best ETF to each asset class. So you don't have to choose exactly the recommendation. Basically, the idea is to make sure you get your asset allocation first before you pick the perfect investment. So I'm going to go through 3 portfolios here. I'm not going to rhyme off all the allocations in ETFs, but they do overlap. But make sure to take a screenshot if you really need to test these out on your own. And we can also look a little farther back if you, let's say, adjust QQC for ZNQ. QQC is just going to perform a little bit better because it's a pure index fund and has a lower MER. So the only difference from the first and the second portfolio is swapping out the NASDAQ ETF with the global tech from TD. And then when you click the MGN button, it's going to build out a more diversified portfolio, and we'll see basically the performance, and you can ask yourself, is it worth buying all these ETFs, or can I just have less holdings? So all these portfolios performed over 24% over the last 2 years. So your money's definitely grown a lot, but we're going to look at a little bit further back, the losses in 2022. Life's not perfect. The app just happened to be launched after a downturn. The best part about diversifying your money is lowering your volatility, basically having less standard deviation in your portfolio. So all these 3 portfolios with diversification performed just about or better than the S&P 500 and had less standard deviation. So this is really why you diversify your portfolio. When you test these portfolios to the start of 2022, right before the downturn, these portfolios all outperformed the S&P 500. This is why you diversify. InvestCAN, download it.